Hi, it's Barb with Barb Ann Designs. Need a holiday gift for your hostess for Thanksgiving? I've got you. Let's make some towels. I have just plain cotton towels that I have gotten off of Amazon, and I have my sticky mat back here that you can get on my website. It is great when you are doing any kind of inking project because look how smooth you can get this. And on something thin like this towel, it won't bleed through to whatever surface you're doing in the back. I think we're going to do this. Bless this day with grace and gratitude. So this is a silkscreen transfer, meaning that all those little holes that you see, it's filled with a screen. It's not just empty like a regular stencil would be. Let's do this one just plain and simple with our orange ink. So once this is dry, I can heat set it with my iron or heat press and it will be machine washable. So we're just going to get in here with our squeegee, get some of that ink pulled up, and then we're going to scrape it across and then pull back. So I'm just going from top to bottom. It is so easy, and yet when you give this away or hang it in your own kitchen, people will be wowed that you made this yourself. I need just a little more, and then this is going to be done so fast. Crazy, right? I'm going to scrape the excess off and just put that back in the jar. And are you ready for the reveal? Here we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna let this dry for now, and then after a bit, we'll heat set it, and it's gonna make a beautiful gift. Okay, let's make another one. And on this one, let's use some different vibrant colors. Okay, so I've got some green in here, and I'm gonna use orange for the pumpkin, blue color for the words. I love the combination of this color with orange. So we have our blue on, and I'm going to just wipe my fingers because I have blue all over them. Now we're going to get in here with some of our green, these leaves and the pumpkin stem. And it takes a while for the ink to dry, so you don't have to be in a super big hurry. All right, and now find another small one, and we will do our pumpkin. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I love this color combination. Okay, towel number 3. Our lives be full of thanks and giving. Let's do multiple colors in the words. So let our lives be full of, I think is what we'll do in the orange. And then I'll do thanks and the word giving in another color. So I'll skip down here to the word and. You know what would be fun actually is to even do a little bit of an ombre. I'm gonna go across the middle with the orange, and then I'm gonna get out this curry color, and we'll do the top coming down and then coming up, and then I'll just blend it with my finger, and that'll give it just a little different look. And then we'll do the leaf down here, and let's do it in maybe in brown. We're gonna get this so it's almost like it's all just really earthy tones. All right, so now I'm gonna go back and just take my finger, purposely putting it in the ink. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay, it is pumpkin season, where you can get pumpkin donuts, pumpkin lattes, pumpkin ice cream, pumpkin. Well, this says, I love you more than pumpkin anything. Cute saying to go on this towel. So we're gonna start off with a little tiny squeegee, and we're gonna do our green color. All right, next we'll do our orange. And then I think we'll do everything else in brown. Okay, here we go. So cute. Perfect. Okay, so now let's do another towel, and I'm just going to do it all in fast motion. You've seen how I've worked and know the scoop. I am going to do a little ombre on this gourd and then do the rest in green, and let's see how it looks. Ta-da! Look how cute that is. And again, probably the camera is not picking up the ombre effect, but just that little bit makes it so fun. Hey, thanks for watching. Check the bio for all the links.